Right, hi guys, hope you're all keeping alright. I'm gonna service my car today and I'm gonna take you through the step on how to do it. It's quite easy. I done it before a year ago, but today the only thing that I'm not gonna do is change the spark plugs, because I changed them about 11 months ago and I've only done 8,000 miles between that time till now. So it's recommended to change your spark plug after about 60,000 miles. That's what a mechanic told me anyway. So but yeah, I'm gonna change the oil filter, drain out the old oil and put new oil in, and then change my air filter. I might change my cabinet filter as well, but that's not really essential to keep the car healthy. So yeah, let's get straight to it. First thing I'm going to start with is the air filter, which is in here, and I've got the new one here. Next thing is it's quite hard to get to, but I've got it. Now I'm just gonna let the oil drain fully. Look at the color of the oil. Service was overdue. Like, it's not meant to be black at all. Now I'm gonna clean all the oil that dripped before I put the new oil, as well as the oil filter. You might be wondering what is it doing, but this is gonna make sense in the next clip. job start. I'm now gonna take it on a quick drive to see how it goes. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching, and I shall see you on my next one. It was quite easy to do. So yeah, take care.